Welcome to Smart Learners. Learn smartly. Letter B.
B. B is for a bus. B is for a ball. B is for a banana. B is for a bat. B is for a bus which runs on the road. Let it stop, then you board.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Learners.